Something big is happening, guys. Get ready for Bitcoin marketplace. No. Alright, so I'm going to look at the company Bitnile here today because they are a company that's generating a lot of hype. And I mean, just look at the website. It looks absolutely amazing. The design is nice, the outlay is very crisp. And I did some initial research because this company used to mine Bitcoin. That was their main way of getting revenue and turning that, into profit. But with this whole merger with Ethereum, this whole blockchain merger of Bitcoin and Ethereum going from proof of work to proof of stake, I believe that this makes miners obsolete. And a lot of these former mining companies will need to reinvent themselves. The information that I got from the Financial Times was that all the used GPUs was flooding the market, so congratulations gamers on cheaper GPUs. But this also means that a whole sector is in need of reinventing itself. And I just did some initial research. Sometimes I like to look at revenue, sometimes I like to look at management first. In this case, I just took a look at management because I was curious to see who was leading the companies. And some of the positions were a bit unorthodox to list in the management team. So I also took a look at the number of employees here to see that they actually have 323 employees here by the end of last year. And this means that, well, they actually have employees that they manage. They're not just doing this to look good, putting up managerial positions. Although there's not a single familiar face in that bunch of managers that I've seen before that I know does a good job. And in terms of revenue, I also took a quick look at that before on the Yahoo Finance page, but revenue, it was, quite all over the place. Going up and down. I think it's better to use this view actually. So we can see here total revenue from year to year. Big increase last year, and then now something's going on here. Although, as you can see here, operating income, so if we take the revenue minus the costs of the day-to-day operations, we see that they are unprofitable and has never been profitable. So this tells me that this company has been financed by venture capital, maybe some rounds of seeding, maybe some debt as well. We can see here very negative earnings per share in the past, and it's decreased. And I'm not going to look at dilution in this video. I don't want to make the video too long, but this company has never been profitable. Just be aware of this when you look at this company, when you look at the story, and when you determine the price that you want to pay in case you want to invest. Just think about it like this. The riskier the business, the bigger you need to discount future cash flow when you do the net present value analysis. So you want a cheap price for risky companies that are not yet profitable. So if you watch this video in the future and it's really hyped, take a look at earnings, take a look at revenue, take a look at what you're actually paying for, and then determine if you're willing to pay that price for this type of risky business. Alright, that's been it. Quick summary on this video since I've seen a lot of hype about it on Reddit. Hope you enjoyed. And as always, hope you make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.